Ole, ole to all football fans, soccer if you're American. This is Hellhound Engineering Solutions bringing you a down and dirty painting of an aquarium. After getting all the equipment together, fish-safe cleaning supplies, towel, paint, roller, tape, and the most important item, the fish tank. That's basically it. The first thing that you will do is to clean the glass on the side you intend to paint. This will look so much better than using an attached background. And if you ever want to change the color, just scrape it off and repaint. That is it. The paint that I used is Apple Barrel Matte Black. It brings out the color of most fish and corals. Now it's time to get some painter's tape on the aquarium. This helps reduce the chance of you getting the paint in locations that you do not intend to. Take your time and place the tape properly where needed, ensuring to push it firmly on the surface. I use Scotch Blue Original Multi-Surface Painter's Tape. It sticks very well, and most importantly, it comes off clear with no residue. Oh yeah, time to paint. I put a good first coat on with a roller, spreading the paint evenly as much as possible all over the glass. Once the first coat of paint is on, it is very important to let it dry before putting the second coat on. Very important to do this. I cannot stress that enough. I used Apple Barrel Matte Black Acrylic and a small roller for the job. After applying a second coat, I walked away and let it thoroughly dry. After the paint has turned a dull color from shiny, it is time to remove the tape. I used a razor knife to put a clean line separating the paint from the tape. This helps with not having the paint stick to the tape, thus peeling off with the tape. I pulled the tape away from the tank, leaving a nice even paint line on the aquarium glass. Ole ole, all done. Just give the paint a couple of days to cure properly and then place the fish tank for all to enjoy. This is a very easy DIY project with long-term benefits.